you ever mention it to Esetu? Ukuthi, hey, there's this ex-fiance. We were married technically.
Ungena njani kusho as to keep ilobola noma ngayi 100 rand legal.
Yeah.
It says you are formally married.
So why are you going to court?
She was telling me to pull out.
A bit confused because you said you guys were engaged.
Traditionally, she's my wife.
Guys, I'm angry. I'm fuming. At this point, we really have to hold Connect TV and the experts accountable. The actual rules for entering Married at First Sight are that one is supposed to be legally single and free to marry. They must pass a proper background check and also pass a psychological test. If netizens knew before the show aired that Prince was married, how on earth did a big television production company miss it? When Mzansi Magic first posted the cast pictures and introductory videos on social media, the comment section instantly blew up with warnings exposing Prince before the show even aired. As soon as his face dropped, people on TikTok and Twitter immediately recognized him and they sounded the alarm. I'm just asking myself, Okuti, didn't the production and the experts check his social media? The answer is clear, guys. The production team saw the drama Prince would bring and they chose high ratings over Esetu's safety. The experts putting a toxic TikTok personality with an active divorce case into a home with an abuse survivor. It is not matchmaking, guys. That is pure exploitation. We also remember Ukuthi we saw the exact same thing last season with September. So let's just be completely real about why this is happening, guys, because a mistake cannot happen twice. This ain't an accident or an oversight by Connect TV. This is completely intentional by the production team. Last year, Temba entered the show, married Nelisa, and then his real traditional wife, Sponono, literally showed up to expose that he was still married to her. I would like to believe that production saw the massive ratings, the trending hashtags, and the social media outrage that the War Temba saga brought in. So instead of fixing their background checks, they went out and intentionally cast Prince to repeat the exact same formula for views. And what's pissing me off the most right now is Ukuti, the experts always brag about due diligence. Every single season, they lecture us about background checks, psychological tests, and finding people with genuine intentions. Mara, they do not practice what they preach. We can all see Ukuti Esetu came onto this show with a pure heart, looking for a real partner after surviving so much past trauma, and the production did a dirty by handling her a man who is legally married. It is a massive betrayal by the show, and it proves that a woman with genuine intentions was used as emotional bait just to pull in television ratings, which is very unfair and sad. Pardon my manners, Sanbonani, hello beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel where I give you updates and reviews of reality TV shows. In this particular video, we are unpacking that wild preview for the upcoming episode of Married at First Sight. Guys, the absolute mess that Prince has brought into Esetu's life on the show is literally insane. What we are witnessing on our screens isn't a failing couple. It is one peaceful, resilient woman being subjected to a masterclass in psychological warfare and systemic vetting failure. Let's dive straight into the drama. So on the preview, we're literally seeing the experts putting Prince on the what seat, asking him straight up if he told Esetu the truth about him being technically married to his ex-fiance. They are questioning his entire motivation, demanding to know why on earth he entered a marriage show when he knew damn well ukuthi he was legally married to someone else. And the absolute temerity of this man, he looks Esetu right in the eye and admits that his ex-fiancée is still legally his wife and they are going to court. Okay, so guys, I personally think this news is incredibly distasteful and unfair to Eseru. Prince wasn't honest with her. He told her ukuthi they were only engaged. What he did is pure evil. It is so wrong for someone to enter a marriage show when they know very well that they are already legally bound to someone else. Prince's deceitfulness is completely disgusting because he intentionally walked into this experiment to play with a woman's life. He knew he was legally married, but he chose to lie, cheat the system, and trap a vulnerable person in a fake marriage just for his own selfish reasons. To add to the madness, the preview also shows him trying to shift the blame by making a wild confession. He tells Eseru that his ex-fiance actually warned him to pull out of the show and he didn't. So that is the exact reason she's now taking him to court to force a divorce. Prince is a dishonest man, guys. Unamanga. Just last week, the ex-fiance exposed his toxic behavior on Twitter. She posted tweets showing that Prince is actually the one making it incredibly difficult to finalize the divorce. Her post painted a picture of a man who constantly walks out, throws tantrums, and uses manipulation to drag things out. This proves that Prince's whole excuse in the preview is a lie. He's trying to act like a victim. The truth of the matter is that this man came onto the show completely focused on fame and clout. He just wanted to be on television, chase a spotlight, and get people talking. Then let's talk about the experts. Watching them ask Prince how he came onto the show, knowing he's legally married, is frustrating. Isn't that costly mistake on them? It feels very fake for them to act surprised. The number one job of the experts and production is to do background checks. The experts and the producers completely failed to protect Esetu. They can yell at Prince all they want to look like the good guys, but they are the ones who let him on the show. They knew the truth and let him on just to get high ratings from the drama. So, guys, that is my deep dive for today. In conclusion, I think Esetu needs to pack her bags, protect her peace, and walk away from this contract because Prince belongs to the streets of TikTok, not a marriage. Actually, Prince should be kicked off the show and Esero should run away with her life and never look back. She doesn't deserve that hypocrite of a husband. He is a massive walking red flag who is never going to change, and we can see that clearly because he is running the exact same playbook on Esetu he already used on his ex-fiance. It is just a repetitive cycle of his toxic behavior, and it proves that no matter what, Prince will always be the exact same person. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. If you've got your own perspective, your own observation, your own opinion, your own whatever, you know what we do here. Kindly go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section box down below. Do not hesitate. Also, don't forget to give a thumbs up and also share. To those who haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? There is literally nothing to wait for. So please, please kindly hit that subscribe button because this season we are tracking every single red flag And guess you do not want to miss the updates and commentaries. It's bye for now.